This is a 530cc inline twin-powered scooter, and Yamaha really know how to make that work, with the SX actually lands legal. Who knew? I certainly was shocked when I saw this fact, as it is well and truly fast. New additions include the D mode power modes, offering T and S modes, a new dash, a bit more storage according to Yamaha, traction control and a reduction in weight compared to the Iron Max. There's no a huge difference between the SX and the old Iron Max, but that huge forehead on the bike, the front fairing above the headlight, seems more accentuated than with the Iron Max. The taillight and running lights are however cool, and the throw of light from the headlight is exceptional for nighttime riding, with highly visible indicators. From an ergonomic perspective, the SX is wide, particularly across the seat, with 2-foot wheel positions and a compact bar assembly. The seat is comfortable, and offers enough storage underneath to store a full face helmet and a light jacket and gloves, or 2 jet-type helmets according to Yamaha. This is accessed via a console at the front of the seat, with the seat button and fuel button. Refueling also warrants a mention, as I found it hard, with fuel spraying back up and cutting off fuel flow, even with the nozzle pushed through the plate, though fuel consumption seemed good at around the 20 to 25 km/L mark. There's also good wind protection from the screen, and exceptional wind weather protection from the large front fairing. The switch blocks are active with plenty going on, with the starter, on button on the right, as well as a mode button. You seem to need to be stopped to switch modes, but with the very different power delivery between the two modes I can understand that. The left switch block holds your indicator and horn, with the dash toggle for the central LCD display and flasher. Traction control isn't multi-level or switchable, it's just there, and the same can be said of the ABS. There is no cruise control on this model. A central LCD is framed by a speedo and tachometer, and I would have liked to see speed across the LCD, as it's truly easy to be cruising along much faster than is legal because of that super smooth power delivery. There's also central locking, which just makes sense on a scooter. Have the fob in your pocket and walk up, tap the on/starter button and everything springs to life. Get off the bike and hit off shuts and it all down, then turn the bars to full left lock and hit off lock again and steering locks. The bike being off also locks the glove compartment, seat and fuel cap. Overall, that Max SX is large, with a great low center of gravity, very good stability and a comfortable seat. I did need to move around to get both feet flat to the ground at 180 centimeters, on the leggy side, while putting my right foot down also made reaching the ground easier, where my left seemed to have a longer way to go.